The 2013 Volvo S80 D4 is a full-size luxury sedan that focuses on comfort, safety, and understated elegance rather than flashy design. Even today, it remains a solid option for buyers who want premium refinement with sensible running costs. The S80 has a clean and mature Scandinavian design. The wide front grille, signature Volvo badge, and simple LED daytime running lights give it a classy and confident presence. It doesn't scream for attention, but it looks expensive and dignified, perfect for executives or long-distance drivers. On the road, the S80 prioritizes comfort. The suspension absorbs bumps beautifully, keeping the ride soft and composed even on rough surfaces. Step inside, and the S80 truly shows its strength. The cabin is spacious, well-built, and extremely comfortable. Soft-touch materials, real aluminum or wood trims, and Volvo's iconic floating center console create a premium and relaxing atmosphere. The seats are one of the best in the segment, supportive, plush, and designed for long journeys without fatigue. Rear passengers also enjoy generous legroom, making this a true luxury sedan for families or business use. The 2013 Volvo S80 D4 is a luxurious, comfortable, and incredibly safe sedan with excellent fuel efficiency. It may not be the most exciting car to drive, but for those who value comfort, reliability, and Scandinavian sophistication, the S80 remains a very smart and practical choice.
คิดถึงรถคิดถึงเรา